File transfer. We've all been there. Trying to get that photo from your phone to your laptop, or that important document from your computer to your tablet? It feels like it should be easy in 2025, right? Well, what if I told you there's a ridiculously simple, free way to beam files between all your devices? Android, iPhone, Windows, Mac, you name it? No more emailing yourself, no more messy cables, and it's lightning fast. Introducing PairDrop, effortless local file transfer. Let's dive in and see how easy PairDrop is. First, make sure all your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is key for local transfer. Now, on your desktop computer, open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. In all your devices, visit pairdrop.net and you will be seeing this homepage. If you're on macOS, this pop-up will show. Just click Allow to connect the browser into the devices on your network. Now, below that page, this computer is named as Pink Dog. Each devices that are on pairdrop.net will be automatically assigned with a code name. As for this Android phone is named as Gold Porcupine. To send a file, you can click the icon of your target receiver, then you can browse for the file that you want to send. Or just simply drag and drop the file into that receiver icon. On my Android phone, all I have to do is tap Accept, and it will proceed to receive the file, and tap Download to save it on my phone. And here is the image that has been transferred. Now let's send the same image from my Android phone to macOS. I will just tap the icon for Pink Dog, then tap Media Picker, and locate the file I want to send. On macOS browser, just click Accept, and it will proceed to receive the file, and it will be in the download folder of the computer. Boom! That's it. No app to download, no accounts to create. See how simple that is? PairDrop is a game changer for anyone who's tired of messy file transfer methods. It's completely free, works on all your devices, is incredibly fast for local transfers, and you don't need to create any accounts or download anything extra. Just your browser and your Wi-Fi. Give PairDrop a try today. Let me know in the comments below which device combination you're most excited to use it with. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.